Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the Aussie dollar. What I have here is Aussie dollar on the daily, and very interestingly looking at the recent prices, right, we see that price is actually making lower lows and lower highs, right. However, instead of making a lower low recently, price has made a higher low. Now, looking at the structure here, this is the first clue in terms of market structure that the market is giving us a clue as to say that price could very well reverse and go higher. Now this is on the daily, so it's a bit of a time frame that is too far away, but we do have a very key resistance here to confirm a reversal of the trend. Alright, so for now, just remember that this is a key long-term resistance. Very quickly, let's go down to the 4 hours, and on the 4 hours, I just want to show you guys something. Right, well, this is a key long-term resistance, especially it can be a possible long-term take profit for the swing traders. We want to identify intraday opportunities. Right, price has actually made a strong push down. Now there is a classical chart pattern here that it may be a bit hard to see, but in line chart is a lot clearer. It's a triple bottom pattern, right? So there's a triple bottom reversal pattern, and the neckline has been broken very clearly. Trend line also shows that this pattern has already done a breakout, right? So we can actually use an entry at the neckline of the triple bottom, right? So this is a possible entry level, so you just have to wait for price to come back down to this entry level here. So what we're waiting for price to do is to come back down to the entry level and then play a push up, and the swing traders can take a profit at the long-term resistance level. Otherwise, this is what we have. The entry, we need to find an intraday take profit, so we can use a Fibonacci retracement on the last movement high to low, and right now we have 61.8 as a very nice retracement level, right? But I always prefer graphical, so this would be a better intraday take profit level. Okay, so looks very nice for price to waiting for price to do a push up. Okay, right now is the Asian session that this recording is being done, so by the time the European and the US session kicks in, we could see a very nice reversal done. Last but not least, the stop loss is of course at the bottom of the classical triple bottom pattern, right? So the risk reward even on the intraday is pretty good. Of course, if you're going to play all the way to the swing trade target, then the risk reward is even more fantastic. Last but not least, we can take a look at momentum indicators. Okay, 21 may be a bit too sensitive, so let's use 34. We see that price has broken above the moving average level, right? At the same time, MACD is